Hello, I just want to show you how to sew in these crocheted succulent cactus bits at the top of your soil. So you can find the soil, how to make the soil video on my plants playlist, I believe. And so all you need to do is grab a darning needle, and once you've made all the bits, I tend to kind of just go in whenever, and it just sort itself out. So you'll need to go in 3 times at least, and then what I do is I take that down inside, pull it tight, snip it off, and then that's just going to disappear into there. So I'll show you again with a shorter one. So it's got 2 strands because you've got the starting end and the tail end, as it were. So if you get your darning needle, and then don't worry too much about the placement, they will sort themselves out. And I don't go down more than 2 rows of that original soil because you kind of want it springing out the top. Just zoom out because that's not picking that up very well. So 2 or 3 times, and then take that deep down and pull it tight. I've just stuffed mine with a bit of old fabric that I found. You can stuff it with anything. And then the same with this one. So each crocheted strand you've got to sew in twice, but that does make it nice and secure. I mean, I wouldn't really have these near kids, to be fair, just in case, but they should be tied on as tight as you can. They're just meant for decorative purposes. And so that's another one on. So as you can see, if I get my little pot, and once I've got all of these to do. Once I've done all of these, it should look amazing. Can't wait. Apart from the red soil, but you know, we'll have to forgive that. Thank you for watching again. You'll find the soil and all of these, how to crochet these and how to crochet these ones and how to crochet this one on different videos, but they're all in the same playlist, so you should be able to find them easily. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing as I help the channel grow and make lots more cutesy stuff. See you on the next one.